Hello kids, let's start with our English subject, chapter 18, Weeds in the Garden. Now over here, weeds means a wild plant growing where it is not wanted and in completion and cultivated plant. Most of the parents like to fulfill the wishes of their children. They feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids or when they have to scold them. Indulge means allow oneself to enjoy the pleasure of. And when even a scolding has no effect, the parents become very unhappy. Such was the case with Anushman and his parents. Anushman's parents had noticed that he was developing some bad habits. Naturally, they began to warn him time and again, but all in vain. In vain means without success or a result. Anushman just wouldn't listen. He refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits get a hold over him. Get a hold over means get control. Gentle words, strict warnings, a scolding now and then. His parents tried everything short of beating him up. Short of beating him up means without going so far as to beat him up. And that they would never do. However, unhappy they themselves were, they wanted to be loving and gentle as they tried to correct their son's way. Soon, an opportunity presented itself. Anushman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. Early one morning, his father took him for a walk around the farm. He was describing the specialities of various plants and vines and bushes and trees to Anushman. Specialities means special qualities. Suddenly, he stopped and pointed at a small seedling growing near a plant. Anushman, that's a weed. Can you pull it out? Anushman had no difficulty in pulling all of the small seedling out. Good, said his father, and they continued with their walk. After a while, they came upon the same weed, but there it had grown slightly bigger. Anushman's father told him to pull out this plant too. He told him to uproot the weed carefully, making sure that no trace of the root was left in the soil. Uproot means pull out of the ground along with the root. Otherwise, the weed can grow again, he warned. Anushman uprooted the plant carefully, twisting it and pulling it hard so that the whole of it came out. Then his father drew his attention to the same weed growing at some distance. There, it had grown into a big plant with tiny flowers and dark fruit. That could be quite dangerous. We mustn't leave it growing there. Take it out. Anushman held the plant in his hands and gave it a tug. Tug means pull. The weed didn't move at all. He pulled harder and harder, but to no avail. No avail means with no success. I can't get this out. It has gone too deep into the soil. So then his father brought some implements. They dug around the weed and with great effort pulled it out. Over here, implement means tools. When they were returning home after the hard work, Anushman's father mentioned, habits are like weeds. When they were returning home after the hard work, he said, the longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is to uproot them. It is wise to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. Get rid means to take action so as to be free of something. Anushman realized the truth in his father's word. Throughout his life, he never forgot that early morning walk on the farm with his father.